Halo semuanya. Video kali ini berisi percakapan-percakapan dengan berbagai situasi. Latihlah dengan rutin kalimat-kalimatnya, maka bahasa Inggris Anda akan mengalami kemajuan yang pesat. Baiklah, mari langsung saja kita mulai.
I saw a new model of smartphone yesterday. I saw a new model of smartphone yesterday.
Saya melihat model ponsel baru kemarin.
Oh, what is special about this new model? Oh, what is special about this new model?
Oh, apa yang istimewa dari model baru ini?
The model has a better camera and longer battery. The model has a better camera and longer battery.
Model ini memiliki kamera lebih baik dan baterai lebih tahan lama.
Do you think this model is worth the price? Do you think this model is worth the price?
Apakah menurutmu model ini sepadan dengan harganya?
Yes, I believe it is a good choice for many people. Yes, I believe it is a good choice for many people.
Ya, saya percaya ini pilihan bagus untuk banyak orang.
That is good. I am sure it will sell very well. That is good. I am sure it will sell very well.
Itu bagus. Saya yakin itu akan laku keras.
I hope so. I am thinking of buying this model soon. I hope so. I am thinking of buying this model soon.
Semoga saja, saya sedang mempertimbangkan untuk membeli model ini segera.
Just compare it with other models before you buy. Just compare it with other models before you buy.
Bandingkan saja dengan model lain sebelum kamu membeli.
Thank you for your advice. It helps me make a decision. Thank you for your advice. It helps me make a decision.
Terima kasih sarannya, itu membantu saya membuat keputusan.
You are welcome. I am happy to support you. You are welcome. I am happy to support you.
Sama-sama, saya senang mendukungmu.
Could you give me a receipt for this purchase? Could you give me a receipt for this purchase?
Bisakah kamu memberikan tanda terima untuk pembelian ini?
Sure, I'll print the receipt for you right now. Sure, I'll print the receipt for you right now.
Tentu, saya akan mencetak tanda terima untukmu sekarang.
Thank you. Do I need to keep the receipt? Thank you. Do I need to keep the receipt?
Terima kasih. Apakah saya perlu menyimpan tanda terima ini?
Yes, it's important for returns or exchanges. Yes, it's important for returns or exchanges.
Ya, itu penting untuk pengembalian atau pertukaran barang.
How long should I keep the receipt? How long should I keep the receipt?
Berapa lama saya harus menyimpan tanda terima ini?
It's best to keep it for at least 30 days. It's best to keep it for at least 30 days.
Sebaiknya simpan selama minimal 30 hari.
What if I lose the receipt? What if I lose the receipt?
Bagaimana jika saya kehilangan tanda terimanya?
You can try asking for a duplicate receipt. You can try asking for a duplicate receipt.
Kamu bisa mencoba meminta salinan tanda terima.
I always keep receipts for my records. I always keep receipts for my records.
Saya selalu menyimpan tanda terima untuk catatan saya.
That's a good habit. It helps with budgeting. That's a good habit. It helps with budgeting.
Itu kebiasaan yang baik membantu dalam penganggaran.
My work shift starts at 8 a.m. today. My work shift starts at 8 a.m. today.
Shift kerja saya mulai jam 8 pagi ini.
Oh, that is very early for me to wake up. Oh, that is very early for me to wake up.
Oh, itu terlalu pagi bagiku untuk bangun.
Yes, I must go to work very early today. Yes, I must go to work very early today.
Ya, saya harus pergi bekerja sangat pagi hari ini.
Do you like working in the morning time? Do you like working in the morning time?
Apakah kamu suka bekerja di waktu pagi?
I like it because the air is so fresh. I like it because the air is so fresh.
Saya suka karena udaranya sangat segar.
Is your shift always in the morning time? Is your shift always in the morning time?
Apakah shiftmu selalu di waktu pagi?
No, sometimes my shift is in the evening. No, sometimes my shift is in the evening.
Tidak, terkadang shiftku di waktu malam.
Evening shift must be hard for you, right? Evening shift must be hard for you, right?
Shift malam pasti sulit untukmu, kan?
Yes, but I can sleep more in the morning. Yes, but I can sleep more in the morning.
Ya, tapi saya bisa tidur lebih lama di pagi hari.
I think morning shift is better for sure. I think morning shift is better for sure.
Saya pikir shift pagi lebih baik tentunya.
I have to give a presentation tomorrow. I have to give a presentation tomorrow.
Saya harus memberikan presentasi besok.
What is your presentation about this time? What is your presentation about this time?
Tentang apa presentasimu kali ini?
It is about the importance of teamwork. It is about the importance of teamwork.
Ini tentang pentingnya kerja sama tim.
Do you feel nervous about the presentation? Do you feel nervous about the presentation?
Apakah kamu merasa gugup tentang presentasi itu?
Yes, I am a little worried about speaking. Yes, I am a little worried about speaking.
Ya, saya sedikit khawatir untuk berbicara.
Just practice and you will feel more ready. Just practice and you will feel more ready.
Coba berlatih dan kamu akan merasa lebih siap.
I practiced it twice but still feel unsure. I practiced it twice but still feel unsure.
Saya sudah berlatih 2 kali tapi masih ragu.
Try practicing in front of a friend or two. Try practicing in front of a friend or two.
Coba berlatih di depan 1 atau 2 teman.
That is a good idea. I will try it today. That is a good idea. I will try it today.
Itu ide yang bagus. Saya akan mencobanya hari ini.
I am sure your presentation will be great. I am sure your presentation will be great.
Saya yakin presentasimu akan sangat bagus.
I am planning to move to a new apartment soon. I am planning to move to a new apartment soon.
Saya berencana pindah ke apartemen baru segera.
Why do you want to move from your place? Why do you want to move from your place?
Kenapa kamu ingin pindah dari tempatmu?
My current apartment is too small for me now. My current apartment is too small for me now.
Apartemen saya saat ini terlalu kecil untuk saya.
Do you already have a new place in mind? Do you already have a new place in mind?
Apakah Anda sudah punya rencana untuk tempat baru?
Yes, I found a nice one near my office here. Yes, I found a nice one near my office here.
Ya, saya menemukan yang bagus dekat kantor saya di sini.
That is great. You will save time on commuting. That is great. You will save time on commuting.
Itu bagus, kamu akan menghemat waktu perjalanan.
Yes, I am really excited about the move now. Yes, I am really excited about the move now.
Ya, saya sangat bersemangat tentang pindah sekarang ini.
Do you need any help with the moving process? Do you need any help with the moving process?
Apakah kamu butuh bantuan dengan proses pindahnya?
Thank you. I might ask for your help later. Thank you. I might ask for your help later.
Terima kasih. Mungkin aku akan minta bantuanmu nanti.
You are welcome. Just let me know when, okay? You are welcome. Just let me know when, okay?
Sama-sama beritahu saja aku kapan ya.
I want to gain more knowledge about computers. I want to gain more knowledge about computers.
Saya ingin mendapatkan lebih banyak pengetahuan tentang komputer.
Why do you want to gain this knowledge now? Why do you want to gain this knowledge now?
Kenapa kamu ingin mendapatkan pengetahuan ini sekarang?
I need new skills to get a better job soon. I need new skills to get a better job soon.
Saya butuh keterampilan baru untuk mendapatkan pekerjaan yang lebih baik segera.
Do you think it will be hard to gain these skills? Do you think it will be hard to gain these skills?
Apakah menurutmu sulit untuk mendapatkan keterampilan ini?
Not really, if I study hard every single day. Not really, if I study hard every single day.
Tidak juga jika saya belajar keras setiap hari.
That is good. I am sure you will gain them fast. That is good. I am sure you will gain them fast.
Itu bagus. Saya yakin kamu akan memperolehnya dengan cepat.
Yes, I hope I can gain enough in 3 months. Yes, I hope I can gain enough in 3 months.
Ya, saya harap saya bisa mendapatkan cukup dalam 3 bulan.
Just stay focused and you will see the results. Just stay focused and you will see the results.
Tetap fokus dan kamu akan melihat hasilnya.
Thank you, your words give me more confidence. Thank you, your words give me more confidence.
Terima kasih, kata-katamu memberiku lebih banyak kepercayaan diri.
You are welcome. I know you will do great. You are welcome. I know you will do great.
Sama-sama, saya tahu kamu akan melakukan yang terbaik.
I see some improvement in my English skills. I see some improvement in my English skills.
Saya melihat beberapa peningkatan dalam kemampuan bahasa Inggris saya.
What kind of improvement do you notice? What kind of improvement do you notice?
Peningkatan apa yang kamu perhatikan?
I can speak more confidently than before now. I can speak more confidently than before now.
Saya bisa berbicara lebih percaya diri daripada sebelumnya sekarang.
Do you think this improvement will continue? Do you think this improvement will continue?
Apakah menurutmu peningkatan ini akan terus berlanjut?
Yes, I believe it will if I keep practicing daily. Yes, I believe it will if I keep practicing daily.
Ya, saya percaya akan begitu jika saya terus berlatih setiap hari.
That is great. I am sure you will get even better. That is great. I am sure you will get even better.
Itu bagus. Saya yakin kamu akan menjadi lebih baik lagi.
I hope so. I really want to improve my speaking. I hope so. I really want to improve my speaking.
Aku harap begitu. Saya benar-benar ingin meningkatkan kemampuan berbicara saya.
Just keep talking and your skills will grow fast. Just keep talking and your skills will grow fast.
Teruslah berbicara dan kemampuanmu akan berkembang dengan cepat.
Thank you. Your words give me more motivation. Thank you. Your words give me more motivation.
Terima kasih, kata-katamu memberiku lebih banyak motivasi.
You are welcome. I am happy to support you. You are welcome. I am happy to support you.
Sama-sama. Saya senang mendukungmu.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
Apa yang kamu suka lakukan di waktu luangmu?
My hobby is fishing. My hobby is fishing.
Hobi saya adalah memancing.
How often do you go fishing? How often do you go fishing?
Seberapa sering kamu pergi memancing?
I go fishing every weekend. I go fishing every weekend.
Saya pergi memancing setiap akhir pekan.
Do you fish in a lake or river? Do you fish in a lake or river?
Apakah kamu memancing di danau atau sungai?
I usually fish in a nearby lake. I usually fish in a nearby lake.
Saya biasanya memancing di danau terdekat.
What do you enjoy about fishing? What do you enjoy about fishing?
Apa yang kamu nikmati tentang memancing?
I enjoy the quiet and relaxing nature. I enjoy the quiet and relaxing nature.
Saya menikmati ketenangan dan suasana yang santai.
Do you catch a lot of fish? Do you catch a lot of fish?
Apakah kamu menangkap banyak ikan?
Sometimes I catch a few, sometimes none. Sometimes I catch a few, sometimes none.
Kadang saya menangkap beberapa ikan, kadang tidak ada.
What would you like? What would you like?
Apa yang Anda inginkan?
I'll have a cappuccino. I'll have a cappuccino.
Saya akan memesan cappuccino.
Do you want some cake? Do you want some cake?
Apakah Anda ingin sedikit kue?
Yes, a slice of chocolate. Yes, a slice of chocolate.
Ya, series kue coklat.
How is your coffee? How is your coffee?
Bagaimana kopi Anda?
It's really delicious. It's really delicious.
Ini benar-benar lezat.
Where did you get this book? Where did you get this book?
Dari mana Anda mendapatkan buku ini?
I bought it at the bookstore. I bought it at the bookstore.
Saya membelinya di toko buku.
Let's meet here next week. Let's meet here next week.
Mari kita bertemu di sini minggu depan.
That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea.
Itu terdengar seperti ide yang bagus.
What were you doing last weekend? What were you doing last weekend?
Apa yang kamu lakukan akhir pekan lalu?
I was sick in bed last weekend. I was sick in bed last weekend.
Saya sakit di tempat tidur akhir pekan lalu.
Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now?
Apakah kamu merasa lebih baik sekarang?
Yes, I am much better now. Yes, I am much better now.
Ya, saya sudah jauh lebih baik sekarang.
What was wrong with you? What was wrong with you?
Apa yang salah denganmu?
I had a bad cold and fever. I had a bad cold and fever.
Saya mengalami flu parah dan demam.
Did you see a doctor? Did you see a doctor?
Apakah kamu pergi ke dokter?
Yes, I visited the doctor on Saturday. Yes, I visited the doctor on Saturday.
Ya, saya pergi ke dokter pada hari Sabtu.
Are you back to your usual routine? Are you back to your usual routine?
Apakah kamu sudah kembali ke rutinitasmu seperti biasa?
Yes, I am back to work and feeling fine. Yes, I am back to work and feeling fine.
Ya, saya sudah kembali bekerja dan merasa baik.
How are you feeling right now? How are you feeling right now?
Bagaimana perasaanmu saat ini?
I am very tired. I am very tired.
Saya sangat lelah.
Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night?
Apakah kamu tidur nyenyak semalam?
No, I had trouble falling asleep. No, I had trouble falling asleep.
Tidak, saya kesulitan untuk tidur.
Maybe you should take a nap. Maybe you should take a nap.
Mungkin kamu harus tidur siang.
I think that's a good idea. I think that's a good idea.
Saya rasa itu ide yang baik.
Do you have a busy day ahead? Do you have a busy day ahead?
Apakah kamu memiliki hari yang sibuk ke depan?
Yes, I have many things to do. Yes, I have many things to do.
Ya, saya memiliki banyak hal yang harus dilakukan.
Try to rest whenever you can. Try to rest whenever you can.
Cobalah untuk beristirahat kapanpun kamu bisa.
I will, thanks for your concern. I will, thanks for your concern.
Akan saya lakukan, terima kasih atas perhatianmu.
Have you tried the new restaurant? Have you tried the new restaurant?
Apakah kamu sudah mencoba restoran baru itu?
Yes, but I don't like it at all. Yes, but I don't like it at all.
Ya, tapi saya sama sekali tidak suka.
Really? What didn't you like there? Really? What didn't you like there?
Benarkah apa yang tidak kamu suka di sana?
The food was bland and overpriced. The food was bland and overpriced.
Makanannya hambar dan terlalu mahal.
That's disappointing to hear. That's disappointing to hear.
Itu terdengar mengecewakan.
I expected better from the reviews. I expected better from the reviews.
Saya berharap lebih baik dari ulasan-ulasan.
Maybe we should try another place. Maybe we should try another place.
Mungkin kita harus mencoba tempat lain?
Yes, let's find somewhere with better food. Yes, let's find somewhere with better food.
Ya, mari kita cari tempat dengan makanan yang lebih baik.
Do you have any suggestions? Do you have any suggestions?
Apakah kamu punya saran?
How about the Italian place downtown? How about the Italian place downtown?
Bagaimana dengan restoran Italia di pusat kota?
Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you.
Halo, senang berjumpa dengan Anda.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Senang bertemu dengan Anda juga.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Dari mana asal Anda?
I'm from Jakarta. I'm from Jakarta.
Saya dari Jakarta.
Do you like this city? Do you like this city?
Apakah Anda suka kota ini?
Yes, it's very lively. Yes, it's very lively.
Ya, kota ini sangat hidup.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
Apa pekerjaan Anda?
I'm a software engineer. I'm a software engineer.
Saya seorang insinyur perangkat lunak.
Let's exchange numbers. Let's exchange numbers.
Mari kita bertukar nomor telepon.
That would be great. That would be great.
Itu akan sangat bagus.
I'm so happy we could hang out. I'm so happy we could hang out.
Saya sangat senang kita bisa berkumpul.
Me too. This was really fun. Me too. This was really fun.
Saya juga. Ini sangat menyenangkan.
We talked for a long time. We talked for a long time.
Kami berbicara lama.
Yes, we did. I like to talk. Yes, we did. I like to talk.
Ya, kami berbicara lama. Saya suka berbicara.
I laughed so much today. I laughed so much today.
Saya tertawa sangat banyak hari ini.
Me too. You're very funny. Me too. You're very funny.
Saya juga. Kamu sangat lucu.
We should do this again soon. We should do this again soon.
Kita harus melakukan ini lagi segera.
I agree. Let's plan a day. I agree. Let's plan a day.
Saya setuju. Ayo rencanakan hari.
I really enjoyed our time. I really enjoyed our time.
Saya benar-benar menikmati waktu kita bersama.
Same here. It was great. Same here. It was great.
Sama. Itu luar biasa.
What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now?
Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan sekarang?
There is nothing to do, I'm bored. There is nothing to do, I'm bored.
Tidak ada yang bisa dilakukan, saya bosan.
Do you want to do something fun? Do you want to do something fun?
Apakah kamu ingin melakukan sesuatu yang menyenangkan?
Yes, I really need some excitement. Yes, I really need some excitement.
Ya, saya benar-benar butuh sedikit kegembiraan.
How about going to the park? How about going to the park?
Bagaimana kalau pergi ke taman?
That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea.
Itu terdengar seperti ide yang bagus.
We can play frisbee or walk around the park. We can play frisbee or walk around the park.
Kita bisa bermain frisbee atau berjalan-jalan di sekitar taman.
I love playing frisbee in the park. I love playing frisbee in the park.
Saya suka bermain frisbee di taman.
Let's leave in 10 minutes, okay? Let's leave in 10 minutes, okay?
Ayo kita berangkat dalam 10 menit, oke?
Okay, I will get ready now. Okay, I will get ready now.
Oke, saya akan bersiap sekarang.
I'd like to apply for a passport. I'd like to apply for a passport.
Saya ingin mengajukan permohonan paspor.
Certainly, please fill out this form. Certainly, please fill out this form.
Tentu, silakan isi formulir ini.
What documents do I need? What documents do I need?
Dokumen apa yang saya butuhkan?
You'll need your ID card and family card. You'll need your ID card and family card.
Anda membutuhkan KTP dan kartu keluarga.
Do I need any recent photos? Do I need any recent photos?
Apakah saya perlu foto terbaru?
Yes, 2 4 by 6 centimeters photos with a white background. Yes, 2 4 by 6 centimeters photos with a white background.
Ya, 2 foto ukuran 4 kali 6 cm dengan latar belakang putih.
How long will it take to process? How long will it take to process?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk prosesnya?
Usually, it takes about 2 weeks. Usually, it takes about 2 weeks.
Biasanya, memakan waktu sekitar 2 minggu.
Can I track my passport online? Can I track my passport online?
Bisakah saya melacak paspor saya secara online?
Yes, you can use our online tracking system. Yes, you can use our online tracking system.
Ya, Anda bisa menggunakan sistem pelacakan online kami.
What if I need my passport urgently? What if I need my passport urgently?
Bagaimana jika saya membutuhkan paspor saya segera?
You can request an expedited service for an additional fee. You can request an expedited service for an additional fee.
Anda dapat meminta layanan percepatan dengan biaya tambahan.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
Terima kasih atas bantuannya.
You're welcome. Please come back to collect your passport. You're welcome. Please come back to collect your passport.
Sama-sama. Silakan kembali untuk mengambil paspor Anda.
How is your job going lately? How is your job going lately?
Bagaimana pekerjaanmu belakangan ini?
I wish I earned more money. I wish I earned more money.
Saya berharap saya bisa menghasilkan lebih banyak uang.
Have you thought about asking for a raise? Have you thought about asking for a raise?
Apakah kamu sudah memikirkan untuk meminta kenaikan gaji?
Yes, but I am too nervous to ask. Yes, but I am too nervous to ask.
Ya, tapi saya terlalu gugup untuk meminta.
Maybe you should prepare your case. Maybe you should prepare your case.
Mungkin kamu harus menyiapkan argumenmu.
What should I include in my case? What should I include in my case?
Apa yang harus saya sertakan dalam argumen saya?
Highlight your achievements and dedication. Highlight your achievements and dedication.
Soroti pencapaian dan dedikasimu.
That sounds like a good idea, thank you. That sounds like a good idea, thank you.
Itu terdengar seperti ide yang bagus, terima kasih.
You deserve to be paid fairly. You deserve to be paid fairly.
Kamu layak untuk mendapatkan bayaran yang adil.
I hope my boss thinks the same too. I hope my boss thinks the same too.
Saya harap bos saya berpikir sama juga.
How did you learn English? How did you learn English?
Bagaimana kamu belajar bahasa Inggris?
I learned through classes and practicing with friends. I learned through classes and practicing with friends.
Saya belajar melalui kelas dan berlatih dengan teman-teman.
Do you take classes often? Do you take classes often?
Apakah kamu sering mengikuti kelas?
Yes, I take classes twice a week. Yes, I take classes twice a week.
Iya, saya mengikuti kelas 2 kali seminggu.
Who do you practice with? Who do you practice with?
Dengan siapa kamu berlatih?
I practice with my classmates. I practice with my classmates.
Saya berlatih dengan teman sekelas saya.
What do you find most challenging? What do you find most challenging?
Apa yang kamu anggap paling menantang?
Speaking is the hardest for me. Speaking is the hardest for me.
Berbicara adalah yang tersulit bagi saya.
How do you improve your skills? How do you improve your skills?
Bagaimana kamu meningkatkan keterampilanmu?
I watch movies and read books. I watch movies and read books.
Saya menonton film dan membaca buku.